Did Santa Claus come down?
It's not Santa Claus time. It's Easter Bunny time.
No, it isn't.
Oh, your pants down.
No, it isn't.
It's not?
Ricky. Hello.
Hi. Well, where'd it go? Look. You want to go look?
Brooke. You guys, it's almost time to get ready for church, too.
Alright.
So let's get up.
Okay, come on.
See if the Hop Pop Easter Bunny came.
Oh, hop, hop, hop. Right in there.
Come on, take me.
You want me to carry you? Okay, stop. You want me to carry you? Okay. Oh. Good morning. Happy Easter.
Tweety.
Happy Easter.
I got treats.
Maybe.
Maybe I got treats.
That's not your basket, Brooke. You've had the same basket your whole life.
I got treats.
Well, go look.
Peeps.
You got what?
Peeps.
Yay, Peeps. Okay, go check it out.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, what are those?
Scott.
What is it, Brookie?
It's a gown.
A what?
Night?
A
What?
nightgown.
A nightgown?
A nightgown?
Wait, has that got frogs on
Do you
it?
guys have matching nightgowns?
Has that got frogs on it?
Oh, look at you guys. You like it?
Yeah.
KK?
I have the same thing like Dad.
Yeah, you must be a big girl. What else do you have in there?
Princess cup.
It looks like Cinderella.
A princess cup, Dad.
Oh,
Princess cups.
what is that?
It's smiling. A new moon.
What is it?
Ooh, carrot. Carrots.
What does it say?
What does that say, Margaret?
Wolf girl and
Do you like it?
Carrots. I got carrots.
Oh, yay.
I got carrots. Look what I got.
What's that?
It's a princess watch to take to school.
Looks like there's a movie there for both of you guys. What movie's down there?
Kate.
What's in the frog?
Yay, you haven't seen it, Sissy.
Look.
An egg.
And you guys can watch it with your frog jammies.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Ew. Princess in the frog I wanted to buy.
All right, everyone say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!